Hey everyone, so let's talk about the observer pattern. Now, the observer pattern is all about notifications and subscriptions, and it's really useful when you do reactive programming or when you do front-end programming in general, because that's used everywhere. It's a concept that is used everywhere. So if we illustrate how the observer pattern looks, we basically have a subject and we have observers. So the subject is something that may change, and the observers are actually waiting or are looking for changes in the subject. So whenever we change the subject, all the observers are notified. That's it. It's really simple, really simple. And as I said, it's really powerful because it helps you architecture your application in a way that you can centralize changes or mutations on your state. So to give you a more practical approach, think about a YouTube channel, right? So a YouTube channel basically has the same pattern, right? When we upload a video, we have subscribers to a YouTube channel which are automatically notified, right? They don't have to go into the YouTube channel and keep refreshing it to know that something has been uploaded, right? So we have the YouTube channel, and then instead of observers here, right, it's the same pattern. I'm just giving you a more practical approach. We have subscribers, right? We have subscribers to the YouTube channel, which are automatically notified when a video is uploaded or when a change happens on the YouTube channel. So the YouTube channel is the subject, right? I'm going to give you a coding approach to that, kind of, because that's kind of simple and I think that conveys the message well. So let me open my VS Code here. Hey, so I have my VS Code open here, and the first thing that I will do is create the subject, which will be a reusable superclass that will contain all the information about subscription. So if I open the diagram here, basically we have the YouTube channel, and then we have the subscription or the subject, right? We have the subject, which the YouTube channel, which will be an entity or a class, will extend. So we'll extend the subject class because that will keep all the subscriber information. So I have a class called subject, I have a subscription list, and here I will create the first method called, let's call it subscribe. And the subscribe will receive an observer, right? We receive an observer. Here I'm just calling that subscriber, but since that will be a reusable class, I will call that observer. So basically subscription list dot push, and then let's push the observer, right? Then we can also remove an observer. So basically subscription list dot filter, let's receive the observer, and let's return where the observer is different than the let's call that observer to remove, basically, right? So here basically we are filtering out all the observers which are different than the one that we want to actually remove. And let me think when we for now all right, let's also create a notify function. The notification will receive a notification, and then let's call all these subscribers, right? So this dot subscription list dot let me use for each, then observer, and let's call observer dot let's use a method called update, then passing in the notification itself. So we have the class, the subject class ready, and let's export default subject, basically. So we have the subject created. Now we need to create the observer entity, right? So the observer entity as observer, we just have a method called update. So, and we need to override that actually. So update I will just receive the notification here. So, and I will just let's just console log, but the idea is to override this. So let me just do a console log with the notification, and we should be good. So we have the observer, export default observer. Right, so on main, let's import the subject just to see if everything's working correctly. Subject equals new subject. Let me console log subject. Right, so we have the class working, and the idea, as I said, is to actually extend this class, right? So let's use the entities right now. So for the entities, we'll have a video entity, right? Which will be a simple, really simple entity. Basically, what we want to have is just class video, and the video will have a title, which will init as in, let's use null for now, and let's use duration also equal as null. That being said, let's receive the data on the constructor, title, duration, and let's just equal that. So title equals, this dot title equals title, and this dot duration equals duration. So we have that done. Really simple. Export default video, right? Now let's also create a profile, which will basically be that, right? So we have the subscribers, and this will actually be a profile, right? So profile which subscribers to the YouTube channel, and these guys will actually implement or extend, right? Extend the observer. So we have the observer here, and these guys will just extend it, right? So we should be good, because then we'll have the class which will do all the work, like the observer work. So let's create the profile. So class profile extends the observer, and then we already have the method here. But let's say that the profile, let's also receive a username, right? So let's say username equals null, and then constructor, the username, let's equal this dot username equals username, right? And then let's also override the update, receiving the notification, right? So let's say that let's just console log the notification for now, then we can enhance that later. And then what we can also have is the YouTube channel, right? So the YouTube channel will actually extend the subject. So and also let me export the profile, export default profile, and then we'll also have the YouTube channel. So class YouTube channel extends subject. So we have that created here, and also let me export the YouTube channel, export default. So for the YouTube channel, I want to have a method called upload video, and that will receive a video, which is this entity here. And we basically just call this dot, also I forgot to do something, a constructor, and also let me create a channel name also as null, and let me receive the channel name called the super constructor, and then basically just use this dot channel name equals channel name. So upload video will basically have this dot let me see what the subject class has, this dot notify. Let's pass in the video. Yeah, just passing the video, and also the channel name. channel name. So we are notifying all the subscribers of this channel, right? So basically we have that implemented. Then let's go into the profile. So when we upload a video, we basically will receive a notification here. So console log notification, let's call the channel name, right? So basically we'll have notification.channel name has uploaded a video, and let's use just the video. The notification dot let me see the signature here. So let's just use notification dot title basically. So that will, let's just console log for now. So we have that flow created, profile, and let me also call super here. So that is working. Now on main here we can actually call the create the profile. So let's create the profiles first. So let's call that John equals new profile, export default profile, and let's say that the username is just John. Let's create John and also create Doe basically. So we have John Doe here. So we have two different profiles, right? So let's create the let's create a gaming channel, new YouTube channel. Let me see if I exported that YouTube channel, and then we receive the channel name, gaming channel. I don't know, but basically what we can do now is gaming channel dot subscribe, passing in John, and we can also do that for Doe, right? So we should be good here. And then we can create a new video. Let's call that gaming video equals new video. Let me see if I also exported that. New video, and then video actually receives title and duration. So let's say that, I don't know, a new gaming video, and then the duration, let's say, is 10 minutes. So basically what we can do now is gaming channel dot upload video, passing in the gaming video, and that should notify John and also Doe, right? So let me do something here just before that. Let's call the name of the user. So username, so this dot username, so let's say hi this dot username, and then we should have the notification here. So yeah, as you can see, hi John, gaming channel has uploaded a new video, and the title is a new gaming video, right? So what we can do now is also remove a subscriber, right? So let's remove John, right? And let's upload a new video. So let's create a new video here called gaming video. Let's call that another another gaming video and another gaming video basically. Let's say it's 15 minutes, and then what we can do is upload this video, and then what you see is that yeah, let me see if I removed that correctly. John, remove subject observer. Yeah, of course, I forgot. This dot subscription list equals the subscription list dot filter. So yeah, as you can see, John has been removed, and yeah, basically let me clear out all the logs and run that again. So as you can see, Doe is receiving both notifications and John is just receiving one of them. So that's how observers work. As you can see, we have a subject, an observer, and then we have the flow or the abstract information of your application itself, like the implementation, right? So the YouTube channel is a subject and the profiles are observers, and that will automatically notify everyone instead of, for example, this profile or, for example, John going to the YouTube channel and refreshing it all day, basically. So yeah, I hope that makes sense, and have a good one.